guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a holiday Christmas house tour. I'm so excited to share with you all how our house turned out with all of the Christmas decor that we purchased, we decorated with. It is 100% complete and it's looking amazing. I know I said in a previous video that our Christmas tree hadn't arrived. Well, it has. It looks awesome. I'm very, very excited to share that with you all. But I also want to thank today's sponsor, Nicetown. You guys, Nicetown has the nicest, no pun intended, the nicest blackout curtains, which we added to our bedroom. I'm gonna show you that soon. But yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to see how we decorated our entire house for Christmas, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, and here is the updated room with the Nicetown curtains. I love these blackout curtains. First of all, I love the color. I think everything just like blends in together so nicely. It's a lot darker than the curtains we had before, but I want to show you a close-up. The gold decorative objects really pop up against the curtains now, and I wanted to show you the material of these curtains. So it's a nice like woven material, and then on the other side you can see the blackout material, which obviously keeps the light from coming in, and it's just gorgeous. It's so nice. Okay, so this is another overview, and the great thing about these curtains is that you can also get them on Amazon. But if you wanted to do any customizations for your curtains, you can go to nicetown.com to check them out. I do have a code that's 20% off. It's Cara20, and you can use this code on top of the promotions that they already have going on for Black Friday, which is amazing. As if the good news cannot get any better, I'm also doing a giveaway with Nicetown. I'm giving away 5 $50 gift cards that you can use on the Nicetown website. All you have to do is follow Cara Lanelle on Instagram as well as Nicetown Curtains on Instagram. Leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle and you will be entered to win. It's great because you can use this gift card, the 20% off, the Black Friday sale on curtains like the ones that I have, or you can check out their home decor, faux fur pillows, and blankets. So like I said, everything will be down in the description box. You can check them out on Amazon, on nicetown.com. You definitely do not want to miss these deals. Okay guys, and with all that being said, I showed you a bunch of the bedroom already with switching out these beautiful curtains, but we honestly only have like a small amount of holiday decor. I like to just like sprinkle it in. These stars over here, how gorgeous. I love these, and now that I have these new curtains, the gold really pops, but I think they're so beautiful. I love the marble base. Honestly, yes, this is holiday decor, but I feel like it would be appropriate to keep year round. I just love the abstract star detail. It's just so cute. And then clearly on this large mirror, I have this beautiful garland. Again, I shared this in the decorate with me. I mean, everything was pretty much shared in that video, but I just use zip ties. I have it draped over the mirror here. I think it looks incredible. I absolutely love this. It took me a while. There was a lot of trial and error to get this like draped perfectly. So I'm like, okay, no one touch it. Don't even get near it. Don't even look at it the wrong way. I don't want it to move, shake, and wobble around, but I think it looks fantastic. Very, very festive. This is like the statement over here. So the rest of the decor is very minimal because we have this huge garland draped over on this mirror. I didn't feel the need to do really that much more. Over here on my side of the bed, this is my nightstand. I have these candle holders here that are just basically like acorns, which I think look really, really cool. I have a small one and then a larger one back here. And then this gold Christmas tree, this like antique gold. I just thought it looked cute over there. Nothing too major. Just a little sprinkle of Christmas is enough for me. Okay, and then moving over here to the glam room, I just have on my desk this marble Christmas tree that I think is really, really cute and pretty. As you can tell in the mirror over here, if I turn over, we have a decorative lit branch. At first, when I was decorating in the video, I had it in a planter, but I thought it looked nice down here. I just honestly have a throw blanket wrapped wrapped around the base, and it just looks so whimsical and light. I added more garland. If you saw, I keep bringing this up, but honestly, if you saw the last video, I was struggling. I was definitely on the struggle bus trying to get this garland right, and I'm so glad I got it hooked at the very top so that it just drapes ever so gently, and I think it looks really, really nice. Okay, so then coming over here on this side of the bedroom, I just have some berry stems over here in a vase. This actually came like in a vase, like you can't take these out. And I just love the way that it's draping in front of the wall art. I think that's really, really pretty. And then I just added these trees over here. We usually keep, this is the baby monitor. I usually keep this like back behind here so that you can't really see, like we know it's back there, but if you're just looking at this table, you can't really see it. And I love the way that it looks. It just looks like more decorated and put together. I was thinking of putting like some flameless candles in here and maybe having like a remote to be able to control it. I think that could look really nice, especially at night. And then over here on our dresser, I just have a couple of decorative objects. This is always here. This is a Home Goods find. And then I have this gingerbread house. I'll link it down below, and just a little mini tree. I feel like, again, that's just enough. A couple sprinkles of Christmas decor is really all that we need over here. Didn't want it to be too overwhelming. Got some pine cones and some bells sprinkled in this bowl, a Christmas candle, little tree, and that's about it for the bedroom. And literally, how could I forget the bells on the doors here when you first walk in? Again, it's just a nice soft little touch. It pulls in the gold tones from the rest of the room, and I love it. It's really, really cute. We honestly keep these doors open so we don't have to worry about like hearing the bells that often, but that's just something to keep in mind. Like if you're gonna be putting it on a high traffic area, make sure it's on doors that stay open so you don't hear the bells 24/7. Okay guys, so moving into the living room, this is how this space is decorated for Christmas. You can see our tree is up. It's super bright. You guys, I literally had to change the setting on my phone because it is so bright. It's so twinkly. I love it. So I'm just doing like a pan over of the space so you can see all of the Christmas decor. Like I said, and like I always say, everything will be linked down below. I just love how whimsical and festive it feels in here. I especially love the mantle. This is probably my favorite mantle that I have ever decorated. I just think it's gorgeous. I love the garland, how it's draped, all of the decor on top, our stockings on the side, just very cute and festive. And then we have our pillows over here. I feel like the, I don't know, really only Christmas one is this snowflake here up against the pillows. The rest are just kind of decorative that make it feel a little bit festive. This one over here is just round. Again, it just kind of cultivates a feeling. Over in the entryway, we have our nutcrackers here, letters to Santa, which is very cute as well. And then if I turn around to these chairs, we also have Christmas pillows on either side. I just think they look really, really nice. They're this nice stitch detail, very cute. Okay, so now I want to come over here to the breakfast nook. We just added these simple branches in this vase and then a bow on top of the light fixture. I feel like that's enough. I just wanted to make it very delicate and gentle. Again, just sprinkles of holiday and Christmas decor. Moving on to the sunroom, same deal. We have our lit branches over there in the corner, and then some more Christmas throw pillows, little decor pieces. And then moving over here, we have our decorated mantle. I just absolutely love the greenery. If you saw the decorate with me, then you've already seen obviously how I decorated this, but I just basically added 2 strands of garland and then some gold metal garland as well. I'll get a close-up of this. We just have some trees over here, and I think it just looked really festive. This is on a timer, so I think around like 5:30 or 6 every night, this actually lights up. It's a very subtle light. It's not bright. It's just like a little, you know, sparkly lights. Very, very cute. Okay, guys, and then walking from the living room into the dining room, we just have our butler's pantry. I didn't really add that much decor over here. I just have like a wintry fall candle burning, which is nice, a little lamp just to kind of set the ambiance. But once you walk in, if the light white will agree with me. Once you walk into the dining room, this is kind of what you're greeted with here. I might have to open the curtains, but again, very, very minimal, very simple, but I feel like it makes a statement. In the dining room cabinets here, I just have some snowflakes. These are some of my favorite decor pieces. It's a Hobby Lobby find. I also have some decorative trees in there. Just all of like the white Christmas decor to really pop up against the brown oak wood. And I think it just looks so nice and festive and cute. And then over here, I added this wreath, obviously very festive, very Christmas, but I also put this Merry Christmas sign sort of in the middle with zip ties, and I think it looks really, really cute. I don't know, something about this sign reminds me of like Harry Potter. It's just, I don't know, I guess like the script of it all, but I think it's really cute. Again, just like a nice festive touch. Then moving to this cabinet, it's the same deal with the snowflakes, the white Christmas trees, and a little reindeer in there as well. Then moving on to the dining room table, we just have this centerpiece here. I pretty much keep the same thing year round as far as like books, a candle, and I just switch out the greenery. This has just like the red berries and the, I guess, what are these, pine needles? And I think it just really complements our wreath over here and looks very festive. Moving over to this corner, I have like these pine cone stems and then a decorative tree right here. I love that it's neutral. It blends in perfectly with like this corner and really the whole entire vibe that I have for my house. Okay, so this is the one area that we're not 100% done with. We have obviously garland wrapped around the banister here. I really want to add some lights and some ribbon. I think that would be very cute. But so far, this is what we have. It looks so lush. To me, this looks so real. Like it looks very natural, very authentic. I'll get a close up here. I just think the greenery of it all is just so beautiful. So once I add lights, have everything on a timer, this view right here, I'm just picturing is gonna look so nice with like our Christmas tree there with all the lights and then lights on this banister. It's just gonna set it off. Okay, moving on to my office. Once you walk in, you are greeted with our Christmas tree. Definitely not as bright. Now you can really tell how bright the living room tree actually is once you look at the Christmas one, or once you look at the office one, you can tell how bright it is. Like it's still beautiful. I absolutely love this tree, but compared to the brightness of the living room, it just does not compare. I love the ornaments on this tree. It's black and white. I feel like it fits the vibe of the office with the black and white wall art, the dark rug down here. I don't know, even the white walls, like something about it just really flows together nicely. I have this beautiful like Sherpa tree skirt at the bottom. I added a ton of clear, like translucent ornaments that really reflect the light nicely. I added some stems over there in this vase. And then in this corner here, I have that same like holly, is it holly? Berry stems. It just adds like a pop of red, a pop of color, and I think it looks really nice. So moving down on this console, we have our little reindeer down there, and then also a bell from, that was actually from Target last year. So yeah, just very festive. And then speaking of bells, I have 2 bells on either side of the door. Again, it's just a very festive touch. It looks very inviting and welcoming, and I really love it. All right, you guys, and that's pretty much it. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Nicetown down in the description box to enter the giveaway. And me and my holiday decorated house will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.